Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials. Open your PowerPoint and confirm it supports online video embedding, like Office 365 or PowerPoint 2019+. Then go to YouTube and copy the video URL or the share link, and if you need a clip, note the exact start time. Make sure you have reliable internet at presentation time or plan to download the video legally for offline playback. Once done, switch back to your slide, where you want the video placed, and get ready to insert it. Now insert and configure the video. Select Insert then Video and choose Online Video to paste the YouTube URL or this device if you saved the file. Once the clip appears, resize and position it on the slide. Use the Playback tab to set Start to On click or automatically depending on your flow. Trim the clip for the exact segment, set volume and looping if needed, and choose a poster frame so the slide looks polished before playback. Make sure to test playback in slide, show mode to confirm behavior. Finish by thoroughly testing in slide show. Confirm audio levels, captions, and that timing matches your narration. If the online embed fails during testing, switch to your downloaded copy or embed the file as linked media and include a backup slide with a screenshot and link. If playback stutters, enable hardware acceleration, update media codecs, or reinsert the link using a different browser before exporting. One key tip: always have an offline fallback ready so a flaky connection doesn't disrupt your presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.